Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
National President ka National People's Party Conrad ke sangma hanya kasngiu lapdiang sngobhayo ba Allen West Kharkongor siya kaseng NPP haringkat bekinong kersyan ki jong Hakani kasngi layadon nangru National Vice President uba Presiden Song State President Dr. W.R. Kharkukhi bat kiwei kinong yalam jong kaseng Habakaran hakani ka jing yalang Conrad sangma uloong ba udap da ka jing sngokemen ban pediang sngobhayo ba Allen siya kaseng NPP bat undeiru Kyrtong uban yakonya ka election kabanwan na kaseng NPP na Sohra Constituency Uloong ba uba Allen uday ubriu ba treshitom ba trehok ya ka kam ka ba uli bat uday ubriu ba syah ka jing perkhat ya ka ega ba ukwa panle Shu na kaliang Conrad sangma uloong ka jingwan Pynïasoh jong ba Allen siya kaseng kalong ka jingkarku amtang ya ka Sohra hanray ya kaseng hi baro ka way Uloong ru bahagi ni kibinay baladep uba Allen ulawan man ya kandu bat pensngo yi jingdon kam ki bayade ba ka Sohra Constituency kamtam habayade ba ka surong bat ki way ki kam penroy habakaran hakani kasngi uba Allen ulay thu ba ulay konteng ya ka election klam ka jingpulut pisa watla shim la job hanray ulay yo hadu lai hajar tam ka vote Uloong ru ba jurung sengkolmar handay habaw yu iya kani sarkar kabalalam kmadu Conrad sangma ba uba Presiden Song kila tray ban pen orlong ya kajing trang kipat ba Uloong ru ba udan jikerman ba kini ginong yalam kitsa pen orlong ya kajing trang jugi pat ba ka Sohra ru ulay thu ru ba uba Presiden ulawan wat ban ya kun election bat hakabaning kong uban paw ya kajing bam kwa handay hadian ba usang perkhat halor kajing don kam jo ka Sohra kapanlong ya uban mi syakmat But come day ke issue jong ushimet handay ka day jong kadong kathan hi barok away.
With great honor, great pride, humility and a lot of happiness, I take this opportunity to welcome Sri Allen West Kharkongor, his family members and most importantly his supporters, his leaders who have come here today and also those who could not come. I take this opportunity to officially welcome you to the National People's Party. Welcome back, Allen. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank our President, Dr. W.R. Kharkukhi, for, I think, one of the most swift actions I can say that any political party can do. Because within a matter of 1 minute, 60 seconds, he not only gave the membership of the party to Allen, but within the point where he gave the membership form and he announced the candidature, it was just 60 seconds. So that proves the efficiency of our president also. That it is the most, he's one of the most efficient presidents where not only the primary membership was given and the party ticket also was declared within a matter of 60 seconds. So I thank Dr. Kharkukhi for doing the honors. I have had the opportunity to work closely with Allen in many different circumstances. And in all my time that I've spent with him, I found him to be a very intelligent, very sincere, very committed, very humble, as he himself would say it. And a person who is very clear in his mind as to what he wants to do. And more importantly, when he decides to do something, I've seen that he gives his 100% to it. Allen had taken up the cause, be it different issues. Even as we speak today, the district issue for Sohra was something that was very close to his heart. And even now he has taken this issue up, brought out a detailed presentation, discussed with all the stakeholders, took the trouble of bringing them to my office, showcasing to me where the issues lied and how we could move forward, which then compelled the government to re-examine the entire issue, asked the Chief Secretary to meet them. There are concerns about the district. I have mentioned it many times. He mentioned about the roads to Sohra and he said that some patches are still left and the work must be completed. And this was even before he had mentioned about joining the party.
Haji Syam na ki ong welcome ong patlong ta kata kidi ban ong welcome back. State balay one pie sa state politics. Ong ala long look sa bahas speaker ala long union minister ala long MP katasin dangapit ya record ng state te nga si smuleran magahir sa po. Ong one pie biang sa state politics manirap ya kajlaban Kiyo siya luar. Tingnan try Dr. Kharkukhi mga ganyan menjuri kata bangi kumirum kulmat nang iya ka image yang niu the great leader of the country. Lihat purno isang ma. Tiha kitibor ng election mga arhajar kanday te kapor ko balingkon nga kamjob ta mga layo abot ba. Nisu how ifing kumpulot pisaru. Unlike kiwe. Ta gibriyo nakaktin katlit basayong nga isngap. Ngayo alay hajar praspa san po abot tang Hapoh andru bunai. Ngare mengang tia Sohra ro bagi 4 priang ni kan ke parti. Tin rai fi hakan ni persaim ju don magic. There's no magic. Dan Beijing tristom. Bakat no baka NPP kayo hadu khandai ngot ke MLA mta don magic. To kadon hakabor kata ro dang don ni kita kajing kring tang ban. I believe kadi kajing tristom fi. Under the leadership of Sri Conrad A. Sangma, they've proven that they are a very strong government. I think we should congratulate RCM, the entire team. Hakan ni ka sarkar bagi lala benda kani. Ngaru bam jurung kulman ngapek fi. Dewat daw te bun kidaw fi. Sarkar ngasiong ka sarkar kepada nakabor berbor sia ka mau. Tendai hapai khmat ru ken dia sa kijing bah. Kani ka sarkar le sibun ki ke ka bede bat. Pan pensuluri kena semula bandum. What comes sarkar? They've introduced many flagship programs hakabede but entrepreneurship. Ya wat kam sarkar khamya sekretariat. Ngang ni tu ifing ai kam arphamut ikhna. Tanghai kapasti jong ai bareng ai kam arphamut khna khasi jongi. Wajong dan kam. Kakam gadon tambang isyong mangiban suya pos ni usa ai katujuk warim kam long syu. Ka sarkar mta ka ailat sibun bhai khna ban sengkam sengjam le kata sim gini kabu. Ka perthai wat kam sarkar kala. La de stang haji pos ni. Dan bok ngaruh tu kapur bawan bak persetuan orang ngapan kan mau tapi kat ka isu jong kan nikah Sohra. Toh balik ngan sarung mentasi ngadon kadaw. Dang mencem tayo ngalai i ka jing kia jong ki. Sila hot ika forum nilai keren sia ndai ba suya keren hari untuk sia le yakiar mo sia le tang dap rukom. Haji sia i PS jong CM yang IPO porang hatsan minit. Ngi syong si kentas ten because we want to deliberate on the issue. I thank all who attended this small program to declare me as the candidate of Sohra Constituency, and I seek the support of the party. Should be 100%. Kuwa aro kajing trilang jung ipa iba pen urlong ni kini kajing tunggu jonga. Am keren kai. Tadang yo ay galat ngi le siya kam.